Hello everyone, welcome to Vision IGCSE. It's a classes for GCSE, IGCSE and IB students around the globe. So today we have a student around more than 10 countries. We have to go through one of the interesting question from IGCSE Math Extended paper, March 2022. It's a circle theorem questions. Today we will revise circle theorems along with the past year paper. Firstly, the interior angle of regular polygon is 156. Calculate the number of sides of a polygon. Sum of all angles is equal to 180 times n minus 2 is the formula that we have. So sum of all the interior angle, how we can calculate? Number of sides n times the interior angle. So this regular polygon, we have an interior angle is 156, which is equal to 180, and minus 180 times 2 is 360. If you rearrange 180 and minus 156 n is equal to 360, and if you solve this one for n, you will get n is equal to number of sides is equal to 15. Use the calci and solve this. This is how we can calculate the number of sides. In some other questions, suppose they have asked what's the addition of all the interior angles of a polygon. You can use this formula 180 times n minus 2. And nextly, we have a B circle theorem question. ABC lie on the circle with a center O. Angle OBA is 52 degree is given, and we have to calculate angle ACB. So angle ACB is, let's say, assume this one as a A. And which circle theorem we have to use here? Angle at a circumference means C is half the angle at the center, means the angle at the center. Here we assumed that this one is A, so it will be 2A angle at a center. So we have to calculate the firstly 2A. Triangle OAB, if you observe this one, OA is equal to OB. This is isosceles triangle. So it means this angle ABO is equal to angle BAO, means these two angles are 52 degree. So you can use this one to calculate the 2A. So addition of all angles of a triangle is 180. So 2A plus 52 is equal to 180, and 2A is equal to 180 minus 2 times 52 is 76. Use the calci to calculate. So you got this angle as a 76, means automatically A you will get is equal to 38. So here you exactly right side of this diagram you can refer the circle theorem. So angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center, or angle at the center is twice the angle that of circumference. Then moving on to next question, we have the PQRST lie on the circle. The WSR is the straight line. This one WSR is a straight line. The angle at WSP, this one 112 degree. We have to use here cyclic quadrilateral theorem says that refer at the top. The sum of opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degree. So suppose here if you take quadrilateral PQRS, means this quadrilateral PQRS, this angle you will get, which is equal to 180 minus 112 is 68. Angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. So angle Q you will get is 112 degree, right? 112. So now you have to use the other cyclic quadrilateral, which is quadrilateral PQRT. We will use this quadrilateral because we have to find out the angle T. So angle Q plus angle T is equal to 180. So angle T you will get is 180 minus 112, which is 68. That's it. This theorem that we have to use. Okay. Then nextly, in the D sub question, here G, K, M lie on the circle. This one G, K, M lie on the circle, and F, G, H, this one is tangent to the circle at a G, and MG parallel to this MG parallel to OH. So show that triangle KGKM is mathematically similar to the triangle OHG. So first thing we have to use is that, so here OG is the radius, right? OG is the radius, and FGH is the tangent, isn't it? So OG perpendicular to FGH, because this is again tangent theorem, okay, radius tangent theorem. So here you got the right angle 90 degree. So angle OGH is equal to angle KMG. Why? Because this is alternate segment theorem. Another theorem we can use here you can use the angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. That's why this OGH is 90 degree. That is also how you can explain it. Fine. Then nextly, these two lines are parallel, MG parallel to OH, right? And here you can see this one, KG is a transverse line. So this angle A is equal to this angle. It means HOG, angle HOG is equal to KGM, angle KGM, which is equal to, just we will assume that this one is A, because alternate angles. Okay, you got these two angles, means third angle is also similar, right? So that means that is the angle MKG is equal to angle OHG is also same. Okay, so that's why these two triangles, triangle GKM similar to that of triangle OHG. Okay, these two triangles are similar. That is how you have to explain, and this is 4-mark question, so you have to explain it like this. Fine. I hope you understood this circle theorem along with this question as well. If you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box for regular classes. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.